Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my roots with a Clairol Age Defy permanent colour. As you can see, I've used half the product before. I do measure it and use about half of that to do my roots, and today it's been about 4 weeks and about 4 to 6 weeks, and I'm going to redo my roots today. So firstly, mix the product. Put all the contents into the bowl. Like so. Okay, and mix two products together. Okay, this is the mixture. I am using a light brown shade 6. In my mixing pot it doesn't look like a brown, but as the colour develops this will deepen. So the next stage is to brush all your hair. And put it in the centre parting. I put it in my centre parting because that's where I'm most grey. Okay, so now you put your gloves. And now you start applying the colour to your hair. So I've started in the centre parting. The roots that I'm doing, then get your comb. This is the style of comb, the pointy end. It's not too pointy, it's not too sharp. And then you gather up like that a little bit of hair to bring you to the next section. It doesn't matter if it's not perfect. And then you go both sides this time to make sure you do both sides. Don't worry about the back, we do the back at the end. So you're doing the front of the fur at the start. Make sure you've got plenty of product, because this is my most grey part of my hair. And again, use the comb, and that's it, what you want. That's it. Put that to the side, and then use the product again. Using both sides of the brush. bring it across. So you just repeat that process using both sides of the brushes on both sides of the hair all the way down. So just do the same to the opposite side now of the hair. Same procedure, tiny bit of hair, pull it up and across. Use both sides of the brush to get all the product. Okay. So you do that all the way down that side. It doesn't have to be perfect partings. As long as you're getting product on the roots, that's all that matters. Okay, so do that all the way down that section. So now that both sides are done, just grab what I've done and put it into a little bun. Get a clip, and now, because I can't see the back is guesswork, so just brush it down, and then it's literally guesswork. This is going to be all guesswork, because I haven't got eyes in the back of my head. Unless you've got eyes in the back of your head. Then what you do is just get a section. That will be perfect. Bring it up. And we'll do the same process again. Just slap it on and hope for the best. Basically, this is what lockdown Britain's come to. When the hairdressers aren't open, it's a case of needs must. Every man for himself. So just continue doing that all the way down. And just hope for the best. Just using all your products, slap it on. Nobody's looking. And just hope you get all them greys. Slap it on. Blah de blah. Pretend you're painting a Picasso. Or a Van Gogh, whatever it is, and a clue. Just do it. Hope for the best. Comb the hairs up from the bottom and then slap it on. I mean, this mightn't be the right way of doing it, but when it comes to lockdown in the United Kingdom, this is how you do it yourself. So then just whatever you've got left in your pot. Just go around the edges. Just go around the edges. Get all that hair up. That look nice, lovely style. See, ladies and gentlemen. And all my fans, my 3 fans I think. Or am I wishing? There we go, I might have more fans, who knows? You might love my video. Yeah, basically, that's how you do your roots. And just get a clip it all out the way. So then what you do is you leave your Picasso in for 25 minutes. Okay, so let the colour develop for 25 to 30 minutes. Once you do that, rinse your hair in warm water until the colour runs clear. Blow dry your hair as normal and enjoy your new colour. Thank you very much for watching the channel today. Remember to like, subscribe and follow. Yeah, okay guys, bye.